Alright, hey, Adam Funderburg here from Brainless Tees. Let's get into a shirt design, okay? We're going to go straight into Add Art. As always, go into Design Ideas. Okay? So, these are broken up into several categories, and mascots is what I'm going to go with. Okay? So, I am going to do something for View Ridge Middle School and show you how easy it is to throw something together. It doesn't take a lot of work, pardon me, to come up with a design that looks very cool. Okay, I do suggest that you go with the templates because they are designed by professionals, and they a good design is done on purpose. And if you start out with a blank if you started out with a blank page every time, right? If you start out like this and you start throwing clip art around and you start, designing stuff, if you locked yourself in the back bedroom and said, I'm not coming out until I have the best design ever, when you come out, I'm going to be able to find a design that looks about 95% like that in here, okay? This is just a way of saving you a ton of time and energy, okay? There's no reason to go create designs when you've already got 90% of the work done here, and you can throw together 5 very good designs very quickly, and save yourself a ton of time and have a better product. So why not do that? Okay, so Clarkson High School, home of the Cougars. Okay, so we're going to go in here and View Ridge Middle School. And I'm going to grab this handle right here, stretch this out a little bit, and then instead of the home of the Herons. Okay. I've made dozens of videos now, and so if you want to learn a little bit more about how the process is done, go check out the YouTube channel. Okay, so here I have the colors are not correct for the for View Ridge. So when I use these buttons down here, they select everything that, so like back here where I started clicking away. There might be green in a couple of different parts of this, like in the text and in the shape behind it. Okay, by clicking on this, I can modify all of the green. By clicking on this, I can modify all of this orange and turn it to the school's orange. Okay, then I can zoom out. I can take a look and see what my design looks like. I can change the color of the apparel down here. Say I want a charcoal hoodie. Okay. It will pop in, I zoom in, and this is what I've got. Okay, so modifying and adjusting the artwork in here is pretty darn straightforward. And because of the nature of the templates, you can get a lot done very quickly with these. Let's see, so home of the, I actually don't like that they decided to, that they went with mixed case in here. So now it's going to be upper and lower case, the start of each one of those letters. Now, when I did that, you can see that the F that goes down into here, the bottom of the F disappears. Okay, so I can come through here and just put a white outline on here and get some of that back. Okay. So anyway, watch some of the videos, take a look through the art, experiment, have fun, save stuff off as you go. I've been doing design work for 8 years now, and the way that the design studio is laid out will help you avoid so many of the common mistakes that people make and people make, honestly, a lot of these same mistakes. Okay, the biggest thing that people do that gets them into trouble is they try to be original, and they'll work super hard to be original, and then when all is said and done, they'll discover that the design that they came up with is super common, and that being original is the domain of graphic artists and designers. This is by no means a way to replace graphic artists and designers. They have a very specific place, and this here is really about democratizing, and bringing templates into the reach of everybody. Okay, I'm Adam Funderburg. I'm out of here.